Melanholični, ustvarjalni, predvsem pa enkratni sekstet Divanhana prihaja iz Bosne in Hercegovine. Svojo glasbo so na festivalu Bled pričarali vzdušje, v katerem sta se prepletala čutnost in poskočnost.
You play traditional Bosnian and Herzegovinian music, but not just that. Also, Balkan region is interesting to you, and perhaps we are not as familiar with the genre that you are playing. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, well, you said partly the things that we play. We play Bosnian traditional music, Sevdalinka, and we also play the Balkan traditional music, the music that comes from traditions from Serbia, from Croatia, from Montenegro. We haven't played yet Slovenian music, but we are trying to discover some new music from this area. We also play music from Turkey, from Greece, from Macedonia. We recently discovered some beautiful music from Russia. So we are really a world music band which is interesting in all world music. For the people who don't know, we exist for 10 years. We are a band who is formed on Music Academy in Sarajevo by the group of the students. And since then we released 5 studio albums and 1 live album recorded in Mostar. Privately, we listen to different musics. I especially love classical music and jazz music. Irfan is, I don't know, he loves the
more original, primitive African music and primitive music from South America as well.
Yeah. So some of the guys and the girl in the band love pop music, rock music. So our music is mixed of all that music genres that we just said, and we're just trying to make something which can be interesting and, let's say, original in these days, which is really hard because you have a lot of bands who is influenced by different musics and different traditional music. So we are really happy to have an audience wherever we come to play, and audience is getting bigger day by day, and we are happy with that.
And what kind of messages are you portraying through your music?
There are several messages, of course, but mostly, of course, it's all about love and about the experience when you experience the pain, love, and
love, suffering.
Suffer and pain, yes. Desire as well, and of course joy, sadness. Sometimes we have also historical songs that are trying to explain how the system was working during that time, and of course love about our homeland, Bosnia and Herzegovina. There are beautiful songs about rivers, about mountains, birds.
I think in today's world, which it is, with full of wars and stuff like that, we are trying to make togetherness with people, trying to make people close together, to explain that love and friendship is all what it matters. There's no religion and any kind of nationalities or politics that can break love apart. So I think our music is full of those kind of messages, and we try to connect with the young people, young musicians from all over the globe, and try to bring that message together to the young people.
Njihove pesmi govorijo o ljubezni, domovini in naravi, navdih pa črpajo iz različnih tradicionalnih melosov Balkana.
We always prefer to play music that will be that can reach the souls of our public, and mostly we have songs that are in upbeat, but also we are having some nice ballads which can directly go to the hearts of our public.
Yeah, people can reach actually the Sevdah music through those ballad music, because the Sevdah music is full of melancholy and that kind of feelings. So especially the slow tunes have those Sevdah power in itself.
Kako ste se počutili na koncertu od Divanhane?
Prekrasno, polno občutkov, če te veže na Balkan, tako da je bilo nepopisno lepo.
Pa poslušate tako glasbo tudi v svojem prostem času?
Tako je. Njih in še marsikoga druga.
Je to edini koncert, ki ste se ga v sklopu festivala Bled udeležili?
Ja, prvič letos sem.
Bilo enkratno, predvsem so me fascinirali res kvalitetni glasbeniki, to mi je bilo res nekaj najboljšega poslušati. Vokal pa vsi glasbeniki, no res vrhunski. Tako.
Bilo je krasno, že pri prvi pesmi so nam spravili v dobro razpoloženje, pa smo bili navdušeni nad tem. Ja.
Jaz sem užival, sem se prepustil. Že med koncertom so se rukala in so rekla, da greva spet v Bosno po parih letih.
No, verjamem, da bodo tudi v zasedbi Divanhana veseli nad to novico, pa nasploh poslušate tako glasbo?
Ja, meni je balkanska glasba zelo všeč, uživam. Tudi midva se v lastni režiji šla po celem Balkanu in sem bila tudi priliko marsikaj tudi v avtohtonem okolju slišati, tako da ja, mi je všeč.
Priložnostno.
Jaz drugače jazz poslušam, ampak mi je balkanska super, tako, če je prilika. Zdaj, da bi jo prav sama iskala, ne, ampak tako, če jo poslušam, jo pa zelo rada poslušam.
Pa vas bodo Divanhana morda pripravili, da še kdaj morda doma poiščete podobno glasbo?
Tako se zdaj hčera CD kupuje, tako da brez skrbi jih bomo še poslušali.
Na koncertu so nastopili sproščeno in samo vprašanje časa je bilo, kdaj se bodo sprostili tudi poslušalci koncerta. Ti so z vsako pesmijo skupini namenili večji aplavz, nekateri pa so tudi zaplesali.
Ritem, glasba, dobro vzdušje, tako te potegne noter, odličen koncert je bil.
We are really happy that we can do something that we really love and we are passionate about it and something creative. We are always trying to make something new in our music, to discover something new, and I think it means a lot of us more than just a job, I think. I don't know, they're fun.
Yeah, I think our profession as a musician is, of course, it sounds very, very beautiful, and that we are hippies running on a beach somewhere and having parties, but there is much more behind it. So we are trying to take it very seriously, and we are working very hard for it. And after the concert, when we see that people around us are happy, that we brought the message over, then that's actually what it's all about.
Mała garawa, crna twoja cyganka. Ja sam mała garawa, crna twoja cyganka. Ja sam.
We've been in a lot of countries all over the world, and we think Slovenia is one of the really most beautiful countries that we have been. And I think the young people should stay in this country and fight for this country and make this country a better place. That's what we are doing for our country, and the young people, it's all what matters, and the love is all that matters. I think that should be the message for everybody.